So, a lot of people say that Maicos have a unique sound to them. I'm one of those people. So let's put it to the test. So I'm going to show random footage here. I won't show the bikes. And I'll show a bunch of different bikes. Or I'll let the audio of a bunch of different bikes. And I'll just say the numbers and I'll say when I'm changing the bikes. And then in the comments you can just say which number bike and what you think it is, or whether it's a Maico or not. You don't have to say whether it's some other brand or name the brand, like Suzuki, Yamaha, or anything like that. All you have to do is tell me if it's a Maico or if it's not a Maico. Extra points if you can figure out the other motorcycle it is, though, but that's not necessary. We just want to know, is it Maico or not Maico? So let that test begin. So there are 21 bikes overall, 11 idle being revved up, and 11 in motion. So you have your pick and figure out which ones are Maicos and which ones are not Maicos. And if you can guess the bike, then see if you can do that. And I'm not going to post the answers. Maybe in a couple weeks I have a video up of what the answers are, but I'm not going to let everyone know what the answers are for a bit. And let's see how many comments I can get guessing. And we'll see who can guess correctly and how many you can guess correctly.